to see if they'll do it again, but these guineas are yawning. They're actually yawning. Let's see if they do it again. There's one, you can see it's kind of yawning and then it'll go to sleep. It's so funny. They're so cute. The guineas are the little ones and the chicks are the bigger ones. Oh, there's a guinea going to sleep. There's a yawn. I did not know they yawned. It's so cute. Kitty baby.